So it's a lovely day here in Jakarta, and I'm waking up. I'll show you outside from my accommodation. Oh, look at that. Lovely day. So, I don't know if you guys know, but here in Jakarta there's laundry services. At my accommodation, since I got here like 2 days ago, I did some laundry. I took it to a little laundromat in one of the other buildings in my apartment complex. They're supposed to wash and dry, and they'll have it folded and ready for you the next day. And I believe that these should be ready for me now. So I'm gonna go and try to pick them up. I think it's this building over here, but I cannot swear to it. Alright, I picked up my laundry. You guys can look at that. The clothes are nice and folded, and they're put in a plastic bag. I'm gonna take these back up to my room. So I've also ordered some acai by Grab, and I should have an order to pick up before I go to my room. Oh, here it is. Guess I now got two things I gotta carry back to the room. Well, whatever, I'll be there soon enough. Go up the elevator. Alright, so I got an acai smoothie and an acai bowl. I think they have granola, strawberries, bananas. This should be good. I think this and this are the same thing. Although I guess this one you drink and this one you might eat with a spoon. I'm not sure if there's a straw in here. Dang, oh well, if there's not a straw, I'll use a spoon. So I guess I got some acai I can pour on top. That looks pretty good. Or no, that's granola. What am I talking about? Let's try some of this acai. Look at that. Got some granola, banana. That is like pure nutrition. The acai, I believe, came from Brazil, but of course, there's no shortage of acai in Indonesia. You'll see a lot of that in Bali as well. So I think I'm gonna go out and explore Jakarta a little bit. This is my last day here. I'm only here for a short time, and then I leave. I'm gonna be flying to London. Get to spend some time in the UK. Let's take the elevator down. Hey. Yes.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, I just called Grab.
You know, cannot be happy. Okay, we go to Menteng, yeah?
Yes, Mang Tang.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah. Finish work.
Oh.
Yeah, already old.
Oh, I'll be your last ride for the day?
I age 63.
63?
Yeah, working 9 o'clock a.m. until, not 9, 6 a.m. until 4 p.m.
Oh, pretty long day.
Yeah, every day. Until one day.
Oh.
I'm sleepy. Yeah, after you finish, I'm back to 10 kilometers lah.
That doesn't sound too bad to drive.
Yeah?
I mean, I wouldn't want to walk 10 kilometers, but driving should be okay.
Yeah.
I think we're almost there, so I'll get to sleep soon.
Yeah, sleep soon lah. 8 p.m. Sometimes 9 p.m. sleep. Yeah.
Okay. 9 or 10.
I'm up 4 o'clock for praying. 4 o'clock.
You're up at 4 a.m.?
Yeah, 4 a.m. praying and drink a coffee and eat. Yeah, after that, go to restroom, shower, go walk. Yeah.
Nice.
I'm smoker.
Oh, you like to smoke?
Yeah, I like smoke. Oh, I'm forget.
Nice.
Aduh, where are you? Okay, so left, sir.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. Tinggal good.
I'll try.
Okay, bye.
Well, he seemed like a good guy. So there's a place called Sub Shack that I'm looking for. I think it's like a rebrand of Quiznos, and they actually have them here in Indonesia. I think. Oh, this looks like Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, maybe the Quiznos is up on the floor above. Looks like. Hey. Oh.
The order, sandwich, pizza, and salad.
Could I do the Italian 9-inch?
Italian, 9 inch.
Yes.
Your bread. Sop Italian, rosemary parmesan, white with brioche, and white. And
I'll
bestseller,
do
rosemary.
the, I guess I'll do the wheat.
Wheat.
Yes.
Wheat. Yes. Italian, 6 inch. Sorry,
9-inch, the big one.
9 inch.
Look at that. Handmade classic Italian. I miss Quiznos. It's a really good sandwich. So I hear that Jakarta has a new MRT system, and they've got like a subway. I don't think they had it before. This one's new, so I kind of want to see what it's like. It's probably a very cheap way to get around. Probably a lot cheaper than getting Grab. Huh. My maps seem to think it's this way. So I think this is Sudirman Station. I think this is the subway, but I'm not really sure. Oh, look at this. KRL Cikarang Loop Line. LRT, okay. Well, this is interesting. I wonder if there's a map that can show me all the different ways. Oh, it looks like there's a couple of... So apparently one of the cars is only for women, so since I'm a man, I have to stay out of that one. So I finally got a place to sit down, and often on these subway lines, it's difficult to find a place to sit because they can be quite crowded, especially in peak hours.
Duri, watch your step and please mind the platform gap.
Stasiun Transit Duri. Hati-hati saat pelanggan turun, perhatikan celah peron dan kereta. Utamakan selalu ke selam.
So I'm now at Duri Station. I'm getting off. This is my first time to ever try riding the subway. I think Grogol is the closest station to me, but it's still a bit of a walk. But I want to have some fun and try taking the subway as opposed to just calling Grab. I want to be more like a true local.
Kami ucapkan terima kasih.
Excuse me. Is this Grogol? Perfect. Alright, so I think this is Grogol. Looks like there's some noise. Okay, so now I need to find the exit. I'm not entirely sure where. I'm seeing there's a place where it looks like you cross the tracks. I'm not sure how safe that is, but this is going to be interesting. So every time you exit, you're supposed to tap your card. So it's a little bit confusing because you don't always know where to tap it. And sometimes the signal's a little bit weak. Because yeah, I don't think they accept cash. I think cash is obsolete. What's that? I think I'm just gonna walk home. I'm pretty close. Yeah, I need the exercise. So I think my apartment is somewhere over there. You know, I'm glad I'm walking and not driving because look at the traffic. I would not want to be taking a taxi in that. So I think I have about 1 mile left to walk. I don't really know. Yeah, just keep going. I think, oh yeah, I think that tall building over there might be my apartment complex. Or wait, those three, yeah, that's where I'm staying. So if you see way over there, yeah, that's where I'm walking to. Alright, so I think I'm almost there. The mall behind me, I think is the mall that surrounds my apartment complex. You know, I think I have to circle around to go through my gate. Man, it's a pretty long walk. Ah, here we go. This is where I'm staying. It looks like I finally made it to my complex. Still got a little walking to do before I get to my bedroom. The apartment complex is relatively big. My feet are starting to hurt. I've done a lot of walking today. I don't know what I'm at. I think I'm at like 17,000, 18,000 steps. That's nowhere near the most I've ever walked, but I don't know. I'm in hiking boots right now. I'm really ready to take these things off. Yeah, see, I'm walking in those. Looks like I finally made it to my building. It's about time. I'm ready to get some air conditioning. Sweating some buckets outside. Oh, this feels nice. Sometimes you start to feel really cold when you come into air conditioning after sweating, you know, because it's like sweat's water and then, you know, cold with water. Not always the best combination.